Circle 2 Wired is an easy-to-install, Wi-Fi connected home security camera that records when motion is detected and stores the footage in your secure, private cloud and works with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit and the Google Assistant. Don't just take our word for it, we're Wirecutter's pick. Best Wi-Fi camera for daily use, Gizmodo said we're the best security camera for most people, and Business Insider says, Circle 2 is the best security camera you can buy for your home. Full HD wide-angle video with night vision lets you capture the really big picture with 180-degree wide-angle lens, full 1080p HD video day or night, with night vision that's visible up to 15 feet. Free 24-hour secure cloud storage, stores motion-based videos up to 24 hours in your own private cloud for free, secured using bank-level encryption. Fully encrypted with TLS, AES, HTTPS. Free smart alerts with snapshots. Get mobile app notifications with a thumbnail image of the motion detected, to see what's happening at home without opening the app. Two-way talk. Take action if needed by utilizing the built-in speaker and microphone to connect with whatever's happening at home instantly. Free smart time-lapse day brief. Avoid spending hours sorting through footage and see a 30-second time-lapse video recapping the most important moments of your day. Advanced paid features include person detection, motion zones, custom time-lapse day briefs and additional days of storage. Every new camera comes with a free 10-day trial to experience these features. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Working great in the cold. I see reviews of people complaining about them outdoors. I live in Calgary, Canada. Winters average -15°C and hit lows of -35°C. Really? Not one problem with it outside thus far and had it most of winter. Great product.